Welcome back to another episode of Peel Out Garage. On this episode, we're going to show you how to remove your fairings from your CBR500. Alright, to start with, you'll need a 5mm Allen key. I have one that goes on the end of my ratchet just to make life a bit easier. So, we've got 3 bolts we need to undo. We've got one here, we've got one up here, just under the headlight, and then we've got one right down the bottom here. Alright, now it's a little bit hard to show, but there is a clip just back here where my finger is. So once you've undone your bolts, this will pop out and slide towards you. And then because Daria, the owner of this bike, likes to go skirt, she's got these frame sliders on that we need to remove. Okay, so under the fairing, just over here where the screwdriver is, there's a little plastic clip. Alright, so what you want to do is take a little screwdriver and you just push that clip in, and then you should be able to pop it out, and that's what that looks like. So you can see when you push that in, it releases tension off of these clips and allows it to come back out the other way. Okay, so there's a big clip up here, so you want to wiggle this backwards, and then once you've removed that pin, this one will do the same thing. I know it sounds very aggressive, but it's not as bad as what you think. We'll move to the top section. Now this can be pretty fiddly. We had issues on the other side where it just didn't want to come towards us, but what you want to do is grab this section and just pull it back towards you. And you'll see these clips all along the top surface, they'll all pull back this way. Then you've got one bolt underneath the headlight that you need to undo. Now that we have that bolt removed, this side unclip, a little bit of negotiation. Like that. Now this top section can be really difficult to undo. We've had a lot of complaints about it. So everything up until this point should be pretty straightforward. But removing this, they have to kind of come towards you and backwards slightly. It won't feel like it wants to go at all, so you really just need to sit here and massage it until the clips all pop out. Like that. And then, underneath here you've got a plug, and you'll need a small flat screwdriver, or you might get away with using a nail. And you lift it up, and pops out. And you have just successfully removed your fairing. Thank you for watching this episode of Peel Out Garage. It's just the reverse to put the fairings back on. We'll have some more updates on little how-tos on servicing this bike and doing spark plugs and removing the tank and other things, so stay tuned for those, and we'll see you on the next one.